Have you been looking for a new construction home in the Greater Greenville Upstate South Carolina area? In this video, we're going to take a new construction walkthrough tour of the Oakleigh Floor Plan by DRB Homes right here in Kayfield at Midway off the Highway 81 area of Anderson, South Carolina. Now, if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about living in the Greater Greenville Upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the Greater Greenville Upstate South Carolina area. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with PRODUCER Realty. My team and I, we help people buy and sell residential real estate right here in the Greater Greenville Upstate South Carolina area. And we get calls from people like you all the time looking to move to the area. So whether you're looking to move in the next 30 days or in the next 3 months, go ahead and reach out to us. All of our contact information are in the description box below. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move to the Greater Greenville Upstate South Carolina area. Let's check out the Oakleigh Floor Plan by DRB Homes right here in Kayfield at Midway. All right, so this neighborhood, there are a few people that live in the neighborhood here already, but they are still building. They're still in phase 1 right now, so this is a great time to get in if you're trying to build some equity on your property. It's always good to get in a little bit early if you're looking to move right now. Now, this Oakleigh floor plan, this is 3 bedrooms. It's 3 full bathrooms. It does have a bedroom and a full bath upstairs. This home here is listed, it's currently available and listed for $434,990. So it's for sale right now and available for sale. And the builder is offering some really great incentives, which I'll share with you shortly. And this neighborhood here, there is a pool, playground, there's pickleball court and tennis courts as well in the community, as well as sidewalks and a community park as well, okay? So nice front porch here. And you got this nice little columns on the outside here. And this is a hardy plank cement board siding neighborhood. So it's not your vinyl siding. So I get a lot of people from different parts of the country that don't really, they're not used to the cement board siding, okay? But we do use it here in the South Carolina upstate area, okay? You got a coat closet there, luxury vinyl planks. As you can see, powder room right in there. And the formal dining room. You got the 2-inch blinds already, coffered ceilings. Like I said, this particular home is available for sale right now. And right here is another closet. Okay, it's a little deeper. And look at this long island right here. Golly, you can put a bunch of bar stools around this thing. Okay, you got the breakfast area right over there. And we're just gonna check out this outside while we're here before we check out the rest of the house. So, and nice outdoor covered patio, and it just swings around. So it's almost like a wrap-around covered patio right here, okay? We'll go check out the rest of the house. Man, I can't get over this darn island, how long that thing is. You got the gas log fireplace there. Again, those 2-inch blinds, stainless steel appliances. Got the subway tile backsplash, gas range, built-in microwave, and really, really tall ceilings in here. Plenty of recessed lighting and those nice pendant lights hanging down from the island ceiling there. Washer and dryer is already here and included. And this is the owner's suite. You got nice size closet. And you got that luxury vinyl plank floors here as well. A few windows in here, so plenty of natural light. Linen closet. Towel shower. You got the bench in there as well. It's tiled all the way to the ceiling. Double sinks. And your toilet area, water closet there. Got 3 windows in this room, so good natural light coming through here. Okay, you do have a couple of bedrooms on the main floor. So the other bedroom is on this side. So first thing here, you got a larger linen closet, double doors, the garage, 2-car garage. You do have a little, nook there, and the water heater over there. And the second bedroom that's on the main level here also has an ensuite bathroom. Okay. Let's see here. Walk-in closet. Okay. So you got 2 bedrooms on the main level, 2.5 bathrooms on the main level. And then upstairs, you got the hardwood stairs. Nice window there to let in more natural light. And then you have carpet upstairs, okay? And up here, nice deep closet here. Attic access there. Another attic access right here. Got some flooring, so you can store some things, maybe Christmas decorations or whatever. Third bathroom, luxury vinyl plank on the floor. Couple of windows in this bedroom here, the third bedroom. Walk-in closet as well, okay? So that's the Oakleigh floor plan. 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. And like I said, this one is for sale, $434,990. The builder is offering $30,000 in flex cash right now that you can use to buy down your interest rate, pay your closing costs, or use it to reduce the price of the home. Really new community here. First phase in this neighborhood, Kayfield at Midway here in Anderson. If you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in our area here, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with PRODUCER Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Or you can scan that QR code or click the link below to schedule a time to chat with me. Have a fantastic day. Look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye.